Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. As you can see, I already have one eye done. Let's get into this eye. So for my transition color, I'm going to be using this orange one right here and a MAC 217. For the next color, I'm going to be using this pink one right here on the same 212 brush. I did clean it off in between colors, and I'm going to place that a little bit further down from the orange. So I'm going to go into the Saharan 2 palette and taking this burgundy shade right here. I really can't see the name. I think it says Zulu, and on a pencil brush. And I am going to just put that in the inner corner. So I'm going to take my concealer on this little detailer brush and just go in and cut the crease. I'm going to go back into the Sahara 2 palette and take this shade right here. And I'm going to go in with this coppery one right here. Now I'm going to go in and deepen out the outer corner using Fez and Saharan. These two right here. So the burgundy and the brown color. Alright, so I'm going to go back in with the Zulu palette and using some of this orange just to kind of break up the harshness in between the glitter and the mattes. So I'm about to take the NYX Glide On pencil in jet black and apply that to my waterline and go in with those three main colors that we applied to the crease and the outer edges. So the first color I'm going to start off with is the orange, and then go in with the Zero, and then on the outer end go in with Fez. And to brighten up the eye just a little bit, I'm going to pop in a little bit of Aziza in my inner corners. Alright, so I feel like popping a little bit of something on my brow bone, so I'm going to go in with Idea. Alright, so since I removed some of my face off when I was wiping up some of the fallout, I'm just going to go back in with some more of my Laura Mercier Candle Glow and touch that up, and then go in with my NARS Creamy Radiance and my MAC highlighter pen.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast, and every moment counts, baby, I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under.
I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender and some Maybelline transparent powder and set my under eye. And this is the Hydra Perfecting powder. And you guys already know I like to go in with my Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting powder in number 5. With my MAC 109 brush, and I'm just going to use this on the rest of my face. So now I'm going to go into my Anastasia blush kit in the shade Granite, and this is the darker one, and I'm going to go into this mauve shade right here, and then to kind of bronze me up, I'm going to go into this grayish tone. And then I'm going to use that same shade to contour my nose a little bit. Alright, so let's finish this off with a little bit of highlighter and a lip. So I am going to be mixing Aziza and Idea, which are these two shades right here, and using that as my highlighter.